The complete production process of conveyor belt should go through a series of steps, such as cutting, layering, toothing, and hot pressing. Measuring size. Machine cutting. Cut both ends of the conveyor belt in layers. The two ends of the layer are respectively punched teeth. The conveyor belt with good teeth is placed on the machine for hot pressing after the initial joint. After a period of time, the joint is completed and the connected conveyor belt is cut. The above is the complete production and processing process of the conveyor belt.